Hey all you real estate agents or future real estate agents, my name is Melanie Ginsburg, your favorite Austin, Texas realtor, and today we have a very special guest, my fiance and business partner, Jordan Zuber. You may have seen him in a couple of my videos if you have already subscribed to this channel. If not, he has a huge marketing background like myself, and today he's bringing you a very special offer.
Hey, what's going on, you kings and queens? Hoping the best to get as always, and you were saying a big marketing background. I have a super special offer for you right now you don't want to miss. I helped over thousands of agents across the globe get in from 30 to 100 leads a month. And I have a whole new course for you called the Marketing Method. Over 1,000 students right now in the course. And normally I charge $1,000 per student. But for this one time only, you get a huge discount. Stay to the end though, you get that coupon code for yourself. So I'm going to help you understand how to do Facebook advertising, social media marketing, videos, how to get 100 to 300 leads every single month, and more importantly, how to have predictable business every single day, week, month, and year. How does that sound? I agree. I think it's also amazing as well. This is why I'm doing this for you. This course is over 16 hours long of content, templates, frameworks, blueprints, everything I've done in the past 10 years in one course help you the edge in your market. It does not matter if you're a brand new agent or the best already. This will help you take you to the next level of your business guaranteed. And I'm so confident that it will. That if it doesn't, I'll give you back 110% money back guaranteed if you're not oversatisfied with the course, and you can keep the course as well. That's how much I know will help you. So, without further ado, down below in the chat box or inside the description, you can see our coupon code for limited time offer. They will not be around forever. And it's only going to cost you a few coffees a week. It's that cheap. So let me ask you this. How much is your future worth to you? How much do you want success, freedom to your family, and to have predictable business? Because you're watching this fall, I know you're an action taker. So down below, get the Royal Marketing Method now while it's still at this super crazy price.
Thank you, Jordan, for your extreme generosity. This is an exclusive opportunity for this YouTube channel. So thank you, Jordan, for sharing that. And you will not want to miss out on this course. If you want to see some of what Jordan has, we will link up to his YouTube channel up here. Make sure to smash that subscribe button here on this channel and on his